So I've yet left the yellow marble incomplete, and now I'm moving on to the next marble, that is the green and orange horizontal banded marble. If you can see in the reference, you will be able to spot it. The yellow one is yet wet, and that is why I'm moving on to the next one. There was green plus yellow, giving it a light green shade, and now it's plain orange. Make sure you are using a very thin brush. This oblique line somewhere in the middle. For that you can pick just any blue you have and have this slanting line done at the bottom. And now after the yellow one has now dried up, I'm going to take another blue, that is ultramarine blue, and go over the cerulean blue, which I did earlier. And now I'm going to mix black and white and make grey color, and I'm going to give these thin lines which were there between each yellow and even the blue and yellow and everything, also giving a grey color outline inside of the marble. The grey color doesn't go outside your drawing, it should be inside, overlapping the colors. And now I'm taking that same grey and giving it a little U shape towards the bottom, painting over my colors to give that glass look basically. And now I'm going on to the marble which is down. I'm using emerald green plus yellow for the shade, and I'm painting over the blue line that I have done. It's going to be nice and detailed. Again, I made a grey color and I'm going to give an outline with grey. And now using a little bit of a darker black shade,